I don't give a fuck.
Guys, eggs will clone alert. Eggs will clone alert. Alert, eggs will clone.
And that's when I said, that's not my washing machine. That's my washing machine.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
The next thing we need is a joke about the conveniently placed giant hole in the ground for everyone to die in.
At least I'm not the idiot who decided to fall down there. Christ! Well, that was fun. But I wonder what Tony is doing.
Am I nuts? Oh, God.
Hell no! To the no, no, no!
We made it with our godlike material.
Oh my God! You got Pepsi?
Are you serious? You are speaking to God himself, and you are shocked by a fucking vending machine?
Bitch, I don't give a fuck!
Oh, you're not God. You're a homeless man.
Bruh.
Hello, children. Why would you want to leave?
We're just trying to find our friends.
Oh, don't worry. I can tell you where they are if you just kneel down.
Oh, hell yeah.
We don't know him. Stranger danger. Ice cream.
What is up, Drum Alert Nation?
Let's just go.
Hang on. I'm your host, Killer Keemstar.
Go on.
You see, I have a way for you to experience your dreams at their fullest. Anything is possible.
What's the catch?
Oh, there is none.
Slide, slide, slide!
Just enter this door and welcome aboard to the Dream Express.
Oh boy, this better be good.
No, wait!
Police!
So,
Police!
wanna go it?
You do realize that in sticky notes, you decided to take on the door and
I don't know what you're talking about. Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna end this right now.
Chris, I'm starving.
We just ate.
What about second breakfast?
I guess we could look for a store of some kind.
Like that one?
Try it! Police! Police!
Harder, Daddy.
Help! Police! Help!
Welcome.
I'll have a double triple chungus deluxe on a tit, 4x4, really nigga style, extra chungles with a pogger, light knuck.
No, no, no. This is not a restaurant. This is a cult.
God.
What would you two like?
I'll have a double triple.
Don't care. You two must be new here.
Yes! In fact, I'd appreciate it if you called the hospital for me, actually!
Hey, boys. We have some newbies over here. Let's give them a heartwarming welcome.
Police! Police!
Daddy.
Help! Police! Help! Police!
Hey, guys. Just checking on this plate.
Righto. Fuck off. You two idiots are obviously way too chaotic for hell itself.
Yes!
Is this heaven?
No.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!